该是这样，勇敢去承担压力，展翅高飞。我也希望说这些选手勇于去逐梦，因为毕竟选手的舞台就是在球场上，希望他们在球场上可以好好的去展翅高飞。
还有就是来指导，是对这个球队守备
应该是这么讲，一个球队的组成就是一个大家庭不管是产业面学校面，或者是在行政端，我觉得一个球队就是一个环环相扣的。那现在后勤有了，舞台有了，相信我们在场上选手也更放得开去展现他们的一些技能。然后我也希望说我们也是秉持着学习的态度来。在这个比赛的过程中，我们会去学习，会去检讨，逐步的往前，到我们董事长给我们设定的一个目标，会希望我们可以完成我们的阶段目标。我刚刚讲过，一个球队是一个大家庭，那我们球队的组成里面有2个是日本籍的选手，有3位是巴西籍的选手。那我希望我们球队是一个多元的结合。那我们会聘一个日本的教练协助我们在整个球队的制度啦、系统化，像刚刚我们董事长讲，在青训这一端，或者我们球队整个的制度建构把它完整化，这是我们第一阶段的首要的课题。
对我们来讲，当然是希望能定的目标越高越好，但是我们相信，就这样讲，也不给我们业教练太大的一个压力。反正我觉得最基本合格的目标就是。一定要保级成功，因为既然我们都进来了，一定要保级。那我们知道我们去年是第7名嘛，如果说就像我讲的，只要能往前一步，第6、第5、第4，那我觉得就是我们自己在聊 KPI， 或许第7名就是我们可能60分，因为我们没有进步。那如果我们到第6名、第5名，甚至于闯到4强，我们都越来越好，我觉得这样就好。我不敢说一跨进来就想排第1名，我觉得这有点太高。但是我觉得，如果可以在5、6，可以进步到5、6，就是很大的进步。那如果更高的一点点期望，可以闯到4强。对，讲了，刚刚有在介绍，就是说天行者它整个的一个概念。那我觉得就是它是有一个代表一个团结的力量，然后它那一把光剑是一个很怎么讲，就是可以是一个进攻很强而有力，然后我们的盾牌里面呢又有一个防守的力量，我觉得跟整个足球的概念都是非常的像，而且天行者代表的一种无形的原力。那我会希望说，这就是我们注入这个整个足球企业家族联赛里面不同的另外一个面向。那其实天行者你也可以去想象成是另外一个照顾、守护大家的一个角色。那其实就像展翼在讲，展翼的 logo 的翅膀，其实就是我们希望带这些足球的，不管这些年轻的选手或者是新的球队，希望 take fly 飞到下一个更高的一个足球里面的层次这样子，所以我们就会想要叫展翼天行者。
你就算用個身體去接觸個波咧，但係你雙手咧同埋雙腳咧都一定係要踩住架單車嘅。咁龍門咧喺嗰個2.5米圈咧，佢就可以用手去接個波嘅。咁但係離開咗個2米圈咧，佢就唔可以用手去接觸個波噶啦。呢項運動咧就可以話俾你知咧，就望落去就好似好簡單，其實咧每一個動作咧都係用好長嘅時間去練習嘅。市民嘅參加者咧，嗰度都每次訓練班咧都有成20人參加嘅。咁但係如果恒常咧，我哋係好比較專長啲嘅訓練咧，所謂港隊嘅訓練咧，我哋大約係有十零人啦。所以變咗，如果中意有啲難度，對單車有啲要求啊，或者有難度嘅人咧，都可以試下嘅。
as Hippocrates described, the food should be medicine also. So spirulina is the perfect example of a nutraceutical. That is why it is known as miraculous alga. It doesn't require many things, it's simple to grow, but one should know the depth of it.
For the women of Burthal in Rajasthan, a simple project that began almost 2 decades ago of growing spirulina has become a source of livelihood. This tiny farm just outside the capital city of Jaipur has quietly empowered them by producing a superfood that has gone beyond its nutritional benefits to bring economic independence to the women of this rural community.
Starting was as a biotic project. I wanted to see whether I can grow or not, and also see if I can make it as cheap as possible, as the demand of biotechnology is. But later on, when I found its benefits, I felt this benefit should go to the village. Then I shifted it to laboratory to land project, as you call. All the laboratory findings I carried to the land, particularly to serve the less privileged community of our country.
Gangubai has worked on this project since its inception, and it's allowed her to contribute to raising her 4 children. She and 24 other women produce about 25 kilograms of spirulina every month.
20 साल हो गई सुबह आते हैं 3 घंटे 1 घंटे शाम को आते हैं फिर उसमें से चेक-इन करके धुलाई करते हैं और सुखाते हैं फिर सुखा के अम्बा को देते हैं तो सूख जाती है पिसती है फ़ायदा होता है पैसे मिलते हैं तो घर का भी खर्चा करते हैं बच्चों को पढ़ा लिया शादी भी कर दी उसका जीवन ही बना लिया अपने कपड़ा लत्ता सभी बहन बेटियों को करते हैं तो पूरा जीवन बन जाता है पैसे से अच्छा बहुत लगता है जीवन ही कट जाता है अपना प्रेम भी लग जाता है सबसे मिलजुल के काम कर लेते हैं.
Meanwhile, the 78-year-old botanist keeps a close eye on the work during her visits to the site. When harvested correctly, spirulina has a higher protein efficiency ratio than other vegetable-based proteins, soya proteins, or even most kinds of meat.
This has got around 80% absorbability of the protein. It has 66 to 72% protein is present in this alga. If you take pulses, most of it goes out as a fiber. Very little, hardly 10 to 12% gets into our body as a protein source. There are 10 essential amino acids. Out of 8 are present in spirulina. It not only provides health and energy to you and also resistance to the body, simultaneously it cures number of diseases as well.
Spirulina has held a traditional reputation of being a fancy nutritional supplement for the privileged. But it needs to move away from that if it's to become a tool against malnutrition across the globe, and the seeds for that are being sown right here in this village.
People say those who are working spirulina sitting on gold mines. I'm a social worker, I care for the women. So I feel that they will take this technology and they grow themselves, keeping these women aside. So I felt let it grow from the grassroots level, let the women spread it, and those who are working on that have emphasized on them that you take major portion of the commercial cultivation but give a part of it to the women also. I hope it works.